Have a stack of bills to pay and want to track them properly in QuickBooks? If you're not sure whether to write a check or enter a bill, you're not alone. Today, we're correctly adding a vendor and entering a bill for later payment. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Entering a bill creates an accounts payable transaction. It records the expense when you receive the bill, not when you pay it, giving you a clearer picture of what you owe. Step 1. Set up the vendor. Go to the Expenses or Vendors tab and click Plus New. Fill in the vendor's basic contact information. This not only organizes your records but also pre-fills data for future bills, saving you time. Step 2. Enter the bill details. Select Enter Bills or Plus Bill. Choose the vendor you just created. Enter the bill date, due date, and the total amount. In the Details section, categorize each line item to the appropriate expense account. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use the bill tracker. In QuickBooks Online, the bill tracker gives you a visual dashboard of all your bills, what's overdue, what's due soon, and what's been paid. This is invaluable for managing your cash flow and avoiding late fees. So, just like that, you can keep track of every dollar you owe and pay your bills on time. Proper bill management goes a long way in maintaining good vendor relationships and a healthy credit score. Now I'm curious, do you enter bills as they arrive or do a batch entry once a week? What works best for you? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.